With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given 17 gram AgNO3 is treated with 25 gram HCl. What is the mass of AgCl formed? So let's write down the reaction first. AgNO3 plus HCl gives AgCl plus HNO3, right? Now this is the balanced chemical equation. Now if you calculate the molar mass, if you write down the molar mass of these compounds, then for AgNO3 the molar mass is 170 gram. For HCl it is 36.5 grams. For AgCl it is 143.5 grams. And we do not require the molar mass of HNO3 because there is no need of it in this question. Now you know that 170 gram of AgNO3 reacts with 36.5 of HCl, right? Because 1 mole is reacting with 1 mole. 1 mole of AgNO3 is reacting with 1 mole of HCl. It means 170 gram will react with 36.5 gram. So what you can say, 1 gram of AgNO3, 1 gram of AgNO3 reacts with how much gram? 36.5 divided by 170 gram of HCl, right? So 1 gram of AgNO3 will react with 36.5 divided by 170 gram of HCl, just unitary method. So how many grams of AgNO3 was given in the question? It was given 17 grams of AgNO3. So 17 gram of AgNO3 reacts with 36.5 divided by 170 into 17 grams of HCl, right? From here the value will come out to be around 1710, and so finally this value will be 3.65 gram of HCl. This is the value. 3.65 gram of HCl will be required to react with 17 gram of AgNO3. So you can say very well that 17 gram of AgNO3 is requiring how much gram? 3.65 grams. So you know very well that limiting reagent is that reagent which is completely utilized. So limiting reagent is that reagent which is completely utilized. So AgNO3 will be completely utilized because 17 gram AgNO3 is reacting with only and only 3.65 gram of HCl, but here it is given 25 grams, so it's very large amount. So it will only react with 3.65 grams. So excess reagent will be HCl, right? Excess reagent will be HCl. Now you know very well that since AgNO3, this AgNO3 has been used completely, so you will proceed with this AgNO3 to find out the amount of AgCl formed. So since 170 gram, you know very well that 170 gram of AgNO3 is giving you how many? 143.5 gram of AgCl. 143.5 gram AgCl. So finally you have to calculate for 17 gram. 17 gram of AgNO3 will give you how much? 17 gram of AgNO3 will give you 143.5 divided by 170 into 17, which will come out to be 14.35 grams of AgCl. So this is the amount of AgCl which will be formed because AgNO3 is completely utilized. This reagent is completely utilized. It is the limiting reagent. So we will proceed through the limiting reagent. So 170 is giving you 143.5 gram AgCl. So 17 gram will give you 14.35. So the correct choice is option D. So we'll write here that option D is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.